Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Funmibi here again with a new video. In today's video, we'll be making these three pieces together and I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff with you. So I advise you watch the video to the end, like if you enjoyed watching, and subscribe, and feel free to share with your friends and family. Let's go.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Funmibi here again with a new business vlog. These business vlogs are about to be a staple on the channel. I posted my very first episode last week and I like the reception. I like the fact that a lot of you seemed to enjoy it. Okay, it did a lot of numbers and I got a couple of comments on the video and I'm going to be talking about some of the comments that I got on that video. But yeah, welcome to a new business vlog. In today's video, I'm making pieces for Nadia. Nadia, shout out to you if you're watching this video. Nadia is one of my beautiful clients and she wants me to make a Michelle headband. A lot of my friends and family and clients, right, my new clients, they love the Michelle headband and I love that for us as well. I'm really happy that that particular design is doing well, and thank you guys, thank you to every single person that's placed orders for that particular headband. But yeah, I'm making a black Michelle headband for Nadia. I'm also making the headband that I wore for a wedding, my wedding guest vlog that I posted on the channel. The headband I had on, she wants that exact design. And then the third design she wants is my cone piece. I made that in December last year for Christmas. I think all the tutorials on the three headbands I'm talking about, they are available on the channel. So if you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Funmibi Olawore and I make headpieces. I'm a headgear designer. I also make turbans as well as boo-boos in my small business. So if you're just seeing me for the first time, hi, nice to have you here. I'm open to taking orders as well. If you're interested in ordering any one of my beautiful pieces, feel free to drop a comment on this video or follow me on my Instagram or TikTok pages and drop a comment or send me a DM and I would reach out to you as soon as I see your comment or your message. Anyway, welcome to the new video. In today's video, I'm also going to be showing you all how I go about beading my Michelle headband, the adult version now, not the one for children. The one for children, I already have a tutorial on the channel, but I got a couple of comments when I posted Frida's order on here, and a few of you guys were like, oh, show us how you made it, show us how you made it. So I'm going to see, while making Nadia's pieces, I'm going to film that aspect of the video. So make sure you watch the videos to the end, don't skip any parts. And I'm also going to be touching on a few things that I've been doing in my business that I feel like might be useful for any one of you that has so I'm also going to be touching on a few things that I've been doing in my business that has been helpful, right? I'm going to be talking to you guys in between. But yeah, what I want to do now is to cut out my fabric, the fabrics that I'm going to be using for making the three pieces that I'm supposed to make for Nadia. I'm supposed to deliver in 2 days and I don't know, I need to fix my life because a lot of times I found that I'm always so close to my delivery time and I don't like that for us. But yeah, today is the 18th, it's Easter Monday. Happy Easter. I don't think I've said that to you guys and I honestly don't know when this video is going to go up, but happy Easter whenever you see this. Happy Easter in arrears. So yeah, let me get straight to cutting and then I'll be back to talk to you guys. Okay guys, I don't know. I'm just, because I know that this part is going to be short, I don't want to clip on my mic. I have my fabrics here all prepped and ready to go, but there's currently no lights so it's the generator that is running. And yeah, I just feel like I need electricity basically to be able to perform to my maximum capacity, right? So I'm just going to pause here. I have a particular order to ship tomorrow, and yeah, I'll be going to DHL hopefully in the morning or at least by midday to ship, and then I'll see if I can do at least 2 out of the 3 headbands or all 3, depending on how much energy I have tomorrow. But yeah, I just want to come and just wrap up this bit. I'll be back to talk to you guys tomorrow and about the things that I spoke about that I want to talk about. So I got a couple of comments on different videos, not just my last video, but a couple of videos about how some people are of the opinion that, you know, doing this business in particular now, making headbands, is not as is not profitable in their opinion. And then they're like, how the question is basically how to get clients. And I feel like for me personally, I can't really say much because I don't really have friends in this particular line of work, so I don't know how it is for them. But for me, what I've found that has been working for me is just my social media and the people that I have in my life. Like, I have the most amazing friends, and I don't know what to call them, but friends, yeah. So people that know me and know that I make stuff, and they recommend me to their friends, and from Instagram as well, TikTok and YouTube as well. My largest order ever, at least my largest order till date, she found me through my YouTube channel. So I think just putting in the effort and handing everything over to God, it really does help, right? And make sure that you're posting your content. Like, I made a video on how to start a business, and I shared about the power of, you know, advertising your work. If you're making headbands, for example, right, since I'm talking about this, and you're not posting, you're not, even if you're not posting, you're not telling people that this is what you're doing. I mean, people are not they are not sorcerers or anything, and then they'll just know. Like, you need to let them know, and make sure that your work also speaks for you. When you're posting, are you posting things that are catchy, that look attractive, in, you know, posting your work in an aesthetically pleasing way? Like, I feel like I've said it a lot of times on the channel, people, at least from what I found, people buy with their eyes before they go ahead to, you know, make a purchase. It's the same thing for different things. If you're selling food and you're advertising your food and the food doesn't look appealing, chances are you won't get a lot of clients, right? So if you're selling headbands, post, tell people that care to know about your work, and also let your work speak for itself. For me, when I first of all started, a lot of the things that I made were for myself. I didn't just start off, you know, making headbands and just getting people patronizing me. I started off I made a lot of pieces for myself. I feel like 80% of the things that I made all through 2021 were pieces that I made for myself. And I feel like those, you know, months of making pieces, learning from my mistakes, and also advertising myself kind of made it easier for me this year to, you know, get clients. So it takes time and it takes effort as well. You can't just say you're not getting clients. What are you doing to fix that situation? So I hope that this little point that I made here helps you. I hope that you go back to your drawing board and kind of figure things out for yourself, and I wish you all the best with your business. So that's just one out of the other things that I'll be talking about in this video. So let me stop here, and I'll be back again to talk to you guys most likely tomorrow. Hello. Hello friends, welcome back to another day. Today is Wednesday, and I remember that I told you guys that I was going to come back to talk to you yesterday, which was Tuesday. The last time you saw me was Easter Monday, but today is Wednesday. But yesterday was a very busy day. I had to go to DHL to ship some items outside of the country to my clients. Shout out to my international clients. You guys are the best. Anyway, so I'm making this Michelle headband, the adult version, and I decided to also film it because I got a couple of comments on my last business vlog, the very first episode, like I said in the previous bit of this video. So this is me making it. I'm a bit confused as to whether to just film it as part of this video or to just make it as a separate tutorial on its own. I don't know how that is going to go. If it's going to be part of this video, you guys would see, but if it's not part of this video, if the main process is not part of this video, that means
a tutorial on how to make it is already on the channel. So if it's already on the channel, I'm going to link it on the screen. Feel free to go check it out if that's something that you're interested in. But if it's not in the on the channel already, most likely to go up after this video. So look out, make sure you're subscribed in order not to miss it. So yeah, I'm going to get straight to work, make this piece for my clients. And also another thing, you know, I was saying that I wanted to talk about a couple of things with you guys. So another thing that I feel like I want to share with anybody that owns a business, like I always say, when I'm talking about business, I'm not talking about people that make, you know, into fashion. It's not the fashion business in general, or making, or the millinery aspect of business, any business at all. One thing I'm going to advise, and I think I already shared this in my how to start a business video, one thing I have found that has been very helpful for me and the business, the brand that I'm currently building, is owning a separate bank account for your business. Okay, and for getting that kind of bank account, you need to register your business. So if you know that it's something you're trying to grow and you're serious about it, please register that business. Okay, the process is pretty straight to the point. Like I shared, just go watch my how to start a business video. I shared all the details about how I went about starting my own business. But yeah, register that business and open a bank account for it, and stay disciplined. Okay, and make sure that your books are up to date. Okay, there's this app that I just downloaded on my phone, and I've been using it for my bookkeeping so far, and it's been helping me keep track of my expenses when it comes to my business, now my business expenses, and I find it very fantastic. The app I'm talking about is the Keeper app. I think it's a Nigerian app. It's owned by Nigerians. I'm not quite sure. I'm going to confirm and then leave it on the screen. But yeah, the app has been very helpful for me in bookkeeping. And shout out to my husband, right? He's the one that keeps giving me all these business tips, because I'm still a rookie. I mean, this is my first ever enterprise, and he is more experienced with stuff like this than me, and he always shares with me. Anyway, he advised me to make sure that I'm keeping my books properly, and I went ahead to do that, and that has been really helpful. So make sure you're keeping your books properly, and if you're just starting, it's even better for you. Right from day one, get a bookkeeping app and make sure that you're keeping your books properly, and it's, you know, it stays up to date. Anyway, that's that about this little thing that I just remembered now, and I also wanted to share. Another question I get a lot is where do I get my, is it fabrics? I know I get a lot of questions, but yeah, I think it's about fabrics. I get my fabrics from my I have different customers, as I am like this. There's no way I'll be doing this business and I'll not have different customers. I have those that are around my area, and I have those that are in like a main market. The market I go to here in Port Harcourt is the Rumasi market. I think I've shared in one of my other videos. I go to Rumasi, buy fabric from one of my customers there, and then I have around my area too, in my neighborhood, there's some fabric vendor. I think once I just spot a nice fabric, I just branch. I'm not devoted to anybody. I am devoted to anywhere I see nice stuff. So yeah, that's that. Also for my business tag, I got it from AliExpress, and I think I promised that I was going to tag my vendor. The person I've only bought one thing from the person. So on AliExpress, I don't know if you guys are familiar with how it works. I know this bit is kind of long, but yeah, on AliExpress, just whatever you're looking for, search, and then what I do is I buy from people that have gotten a lot of orders. So if I see a particular item and I see maybe 1,000 orders, I'm more motivated to buy from that particular seller than someone I'm seeing just 2 orders from. I know I might be wrong for, you know, working with that kind of system, but that's what I do. And I also read reviews. What are people saying? For me, if I see that a Nigerian, because the flag of whoever is, you know, the country flag is going to show on the review. So if I see a review from a Nigerian, because I know we Nigerians, we have wahala. So if a Nigerian is telling me that a particular item is good, I don't think twice. I just go ahead to buy. So once I see that a Nigerian has good things to say about a particular vendor, I go ahead to buy from the person. But yeah, I got my business tag from AliExpress. But there's this other Nigerian brand that I kind of like their work. I like how their tags look, but it's expensive. And because for now my business is still growing, I can't really afford to, you know, invest a lot of money in certain things. Maybe as the business starts to expand, I might start, you know, investing in certain types of things. But for now, I'm just buying most of my stuff from AliExpress, pending when things start to grow from there. So that's pretty much all the things that I wanted to touch on. Let me get straight to work with this last headband, and then I will show you guys the 3 headbands. Like I said, this particular Nadia
Well, okay. Like I said, Nadia ordered 3, so I'm working on the third one, and I will show you guys the 3 of them once I'm done.
All right, friends, so these are the 3 headbands. This is the intertwined one. I did a little bit of beading on the side, and it all came together really beautifully. Also, I made a red cone headband. The tutorial on the 3 pieces are on the channel, so just in case you're interested in learning how to make any one of them, please feel free to refer to my Funmibi Olawore Designs playlist. Over there you get to see all my pieces and how I make them. I like to share with you guys, especially those that love to do things by themselves and they'll just rather do DIY, their headbands. I share those tutorials for people like that. And this is the cone one. I did a little bit of beading at the tip of the top, and then I also attached a little bit of trimming on the side, and look how beautiful it all looks. Remember what I said about neatness, okay? Make sure that your work looks absolutely neat, okay? Try your best to limit the amount of mistakes that you make. And this is the adult Michelle headband. I also have a tutorial on this on the channel. The tutorial went up last week. I'm going to see if I can link it on the channel, but if it's not on the channel, just look at the video right before this video. You would see how to make this for yourself. And those that don't know how to bead headbands, I have a tutorial on how to bead a headband on the channel. Feel free to go check it out, and I really do hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. This is me packaging the headbands for shipping. Thank you so much again to Nadia. Thank you for your order. If you would like to place an order for any one of my pieces, or if you even have a particular design and you would like me to make for you, please feel free to send me a DM on Instagram. I'm going to link my handle on the screen right here, or you can just look at your top left corner of your screen. You will see my Instagram handle over there. Send me a DM and let's get talking, okay? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're yet to subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in another one. Bye. Looks like you can do better, so much better.